as tour companies, you might be always thinking about making tours more enjoyable, but there is always some problems. We can say example costs and safety of guests and how to use new technologies. So today we will discuss all these topics and solutions for each of them. Yes. So first of all, let's discuss about cost effectiveness. So as a tour company, you want to be cost effective. So first thing that you can do for that is use public transport. Using that, you can save a lot of cost. And other thing that you can do is bulk buying of food and waters. So you can provide that to your guest, and it will save a lot of cost. And one more thing that you can do is take your guests to some places which are of low cost and are good places, then that will also save you costs. And about safety, first of all, as we all know, before doing the tour, you can thoroughly research about the all the itineraries that you want to go through, and in the route you can think about and you can plan for any construction or high traffic areas and avoid them. And second thing for safety you can do is to tell all the guests or visitors to follow safety guidelines and give them all the instructions that must be followed for that particular location or heritage site. And last thing for the safety would be to keep first aid kit with you and to have the contacts or paths of all the related emergency hospitals nearby. Yes, and the third important thing that you can do is make your tours technology advanced. So there also you can do several things. So first thing is you should use augmented reality also in your mobile app. So using that your guest will experience better about, means they will know more about the places that you that they go to. And one more thing is having online transactions, means when they are paying for the tour they can use online payment methods, then it will be easy for them, as there can be guests from other countries also. And other than that, you can have your own mobile app that we will discuss more about. And so these are things that will make your tour technology advanced. Yes, so the one of the most important thing in the technology advancement is having a mobile application, because nowadays each and every person are used to see all the details and information on their mobile phones. And if you show all the details about each location, each heritage site on the mobile application, and also the map, means people are used to see map on their phones, and in the map if they can see the location details about it, and if possible if they can hear about that site, then it would be much more joyful for them and easy for them to understand about it.